Here we have a Remington Torpedo vintage typewriter. Remington Rand, made in West Germany, which is pretty rare. I've never seen a Remington made in Germany, but it's built really nice. It's got all the strong metals and it's very smooth. Everything moves smooth on it, like a German typewriter would be. Well built. Very rare. I've never seen one and I can't find it online, so we'll see. Show you how to use the functions and make sure they all work. The margins are behind the paper here. There's a one on the right and the one on the left is missing the top cap, but it still works normally. So we're going to set those at the beginning and the end. This flips up and down for the case. So now we have our margins like that. Once you hear the bell, you're at the end of the margin and you hit this line space, get you back to the beginning. It skips 1, 2, or 3 spaces. Right now we have it on single, but if you want double, you just flip this switch like that. Skips 2, switch it again, it'll skip 3. We're going to keep it on single for now and go to the next line. As you can see, all the keys type nice and none of them skip or stick. Very nice typing machine, very smooth. Type a sentence on the next line in red. It's got a black and red ribbon, so we'll switch this down and it should hit the bottom portion of the ribbon printing red. Very nice typing machine. Type on it daily. It's really comfortable, smooth. You put Remington and Germany in the same brand, it's going to be good. I'll show you how to use the rest of the functions. This switch will unlock the rollers, allowing you to pull the paper out easy or load thicker paper like carbon copy or cardstock. It's got a tab function. So right now we don't have any tabs, so it just slides to the end. But say you want to set a tab right there. This switch right here, you just push it up on the right side, on the left side here. You push that up and it sets the tab in that spot that you're at, and it stops at that. To clear it, you just push that lever down, and now it should have no tabs. You hit the tab, and it goes to the end. That works really good. It's got a backspace on the right side here. Works good. This is your color selector switch that we already used. We're going to flip that back up to print black top portion of the ribbon. Open the hood. It's got a broken lever here, a latch, but it still fits on there and it fits as tight as you need to be. All the brand new ribbon is on the left side here, so it's pulling to the right, pulling clockwise to the right. As you can see, if you want to switch that, there is a mechanism in the front portion of the interior here, and you just flip that to the right side. Let's start pulling to this side. We're going to flip that back now, so we have it pulling to the right, and that's how we want it. Let's put the hood back on, and we got your carriage release lever here that allows you to move the carriage freely, and this function here, I don't know what that does. And the carriage release on this side here. This right here is your margin release lever, so you get to the end and there's a mechanism that will stop you from typing, and if you hit that, it'll allow you to finish the word at the end. And that's about it. Now available on eBay or Etsy. Search Brooksaw Antiques.